Hey, what's up, guys? So, when I upload my patterns on Redbubble, they are mostly in the square format, and this format is pretty good for most of the products, but it does not look right for these postcards or greeting cards and posters. Although Redbubble does print posters in square format, but they do not print the greeting cards or postcards in the square format, and by the look of it, it does not really look some kind, I would say, appealing. So there is something that I usually do with my patterns before enabling them for these products, and I have been doing it for past few months, and I thought I should share this with you. So yeah, currently you can see that this pattern is in square format, and you know in order to make it more suitable for these products, this is what I usually do. So I open that pattern in Photoshop or Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo, whatever I'm using at the moment. So, and that is something that I have discussed in one of my previous videos. I have gone through the complete step-by-step process, so I'll put the link in the card above and in the description below as well. So for example, in this Photoshop, I'm going to go to the edit and create a pattern from this image. It does not matter the name, and then I go and create a new document, and for this I'm usually choose 6000 by 9000, and the reason of choosing these dimension is that it simplifies this ratio to be 2:3 or 2 or 3:2, depending upon whether you want a vertical or you can say a landscape format. So yeah, this is the ratio I usually choose, and this is actually the size that I usually choose, and then I choose the 300 dpi resolution, and I press create, and in this one I just create a pattern layer and choose that pattern, and it makes my design looks much better. And I can adjust the pattern. I can just simply decrease the size of the pattern here as well. You can change the angle of the pattern if you want, but yeah, I just usually make keep it at 0 so that it looks coherent with my other products with using the same design. And I just simply press OK, and then I adjust the pattern and then export it as a png image, and then I upload this new image specially for these products. And this new image just makes these products look much better, especially in the mockups when it comes to viewing in the shop and also on the product page. It just makes these products look much better, especially the greeting cards and the postcards. As you can see here in this preview, it just makes the design look much better. And there are two benefits of this. The first thing is that of course it can generate more sales, possible sales, and also it makes your shop look more professional. If your products are looking good in the mockups, then it seems like the customer would see that this shop is run by some professional, and not some random uploads or not some random images are posted on this shop. So yeah, these are the two benefits that I have found of creating these products in this manner, and I thought I should share with this you. And hopefully you have found this tip to be useful. If so, let me know in the comments below, and if you have any questions regarding this or concerns or any confusion, you can ask me in the comments below as well, and I'll try my best to answer those questions. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.